Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on developer option on your Android smartphone. And for this demonstration, I'm going to use the Redmi Note 10, but this setting should work on any Android phone. And the first thing you need to do is to go to your settings. And the setting option is here. Tap on it. So to become a developer, tap on About Phone. And then tap on Detailed Info and Specs. Now from here, look for the version settings of your phone, and for this case, on my phone, it is this. For your case, it should be related to the name of your phone and then accompanied by the word version. Now from here, you want to tap 3 or 4 times to become a developer. So I'll go ahead and tap 3 or 4 times. And as you can see, I'm told no need, you are already a developer. For your case, you'll see each time you tap, it will tell you maybe you are 4 taps away to become a developer, you are 3 taps away to become a developer, until you become now a developer. So once you have become a developer, you need to go ahead and enable now the developer button on your smartphone. To do so, go again on settings and then scroll down to additional settings. From here, go down until you get developer option, which is this, and then tap on it. So enable this button to become a developer. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.